Today, I'm discussing cash flow. There's no better place to start than to kick it off by giving you a summary of Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant book, Guide to Financial Freedom, by Robert Kiyosaki as a sequel to his best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. In the next couple of videos I'll be breaking down the 4 different forms of cash flow. In this book, Kiyosaki delves deeper into the concepts of financial independence and wealth building by introducing the cash flow quadrant. The cash flow quadrant is a tool that helps people understand the different ways to generate income and achieve financial freedom. Your income comes from one of the quadrant or multiple of these sources. The quadrant is divided into 4 categories: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Each category represents a different approach to earning money and requires different mindsets and skills. Employees work for others and trade their time for money. They often have a fixed income, job security, and benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. However, they are limited by their salary and job stability, and they typically have little control over their financial destiny. Kiyosaki explains that many people are stuck in this quadrant because it provides a sense of security. However, he argues that true financial freedom cannot be achieved as an employee because one's income is tied to their time and effort. Self-employed individuals work for themselves and often own small businesses. They have more control over their work and income compared to employees. However, they still trade time for money and may struggle to scale their businesses. While self-employed individuals enjoy more independence, they often face significant challenges, such as long work hours, financial instability, and the pressure of being solely responsible for their success or failure. Business owners create systems and employ others to work for them. They leverage the efforts of their employees to generate income and have the potential to scale their businesses without being directly involved in day-to-day operations. Kiyosaki emphasizes that business owners have the opportunity to achieve financial freedom by building businesses that operate independently of their personal involvement. This allows them to enjoy passive income and focus on other ventures or investments. Investors use their money to generate more money. They invest in assets such as stocks, real estate, and businesses, and their income is derived from dividends, interest, and capital gains. The investor quadrant offers the highest potential for financial freedom because it allows individuals to earn passive income and build wealth over time. However, it requires financial literacy, strategic planning, and the ability to manage risks effectively. Mindset shifts and financial education. Kiyosaki argues that moving from the left side of the quadrant, E and S, to the right side, B and I, requires a significant shift in mindset and financial education. He emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, which involves understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. Key principles for financial success. Think like an investor. Kiyosaki encourages readers to adopt an investor mindset, even if they are currently employees or self-employed. This involves looking for opportunities to generate passive income and grow wealth through investments. He advises individuals to focus on acquiring assets that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses, rather than liabilities that drain their resources. Develop financial intelligence. Financial intelligence is the ability to understand and manage money effectively. It involves skills such as budgeting, investing, and tax planning. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement in the area of finance. He suggests reading books, attending seminars, and seeking advice from financial experts. Embrace risk and failure. Successful investors and business owners understand that risk and failure are part of the journey to financial freedom. They learn from their mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Kiyosaki encourages readers to step out of their comfort zones and take calculated risks in order to achieve their financial goals. Build a strong network. Networking with like-minded individuals and professionals is crucial for success in the business and investment world. Building relationships with mentors, advisors, and partners can provide valuable insights, support, and opportunities. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of surrounding oneself with positive influences and learning from those who have already achieved financial success. The importance of financial independence. Kiyosaki argues that financial independence is essential for achieving true freedom and security. Financial independence allows individuals to make choices based on their values and goals, rather than being constrained by financial limitations. It also provides a safety net in times of economic uncertainty and allows for greater control over one's future. Create multiple streams of income. Diversifying income sources is key to achieving financial independence. This can include starting a business, investing in real estate, and building a portfolio of stocks and bonds. Kiyosaki advises readers to explore various opportunities for generating passive income and to avoid relying solely on a single source of income. Invest in cash-flowing assets. Investing in assets that generate consistent cash flow is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial independence. This includes rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and profitable businesses. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Minimize debt and liabilities. Managing debt and minimizing liabilities is essential for financial stability and independence. Kiyosaki advises readers to focus on paying off high-interest debt and avoiding unnecessary expenses. He also suggests leveraging good debt, which is used to acquire income-generating assets, rather than bad debt, which is used for consumption. Continuously educate yourself. Financial education is a lifelong journey. Kiyosaki encourages readers to stay informed about financial markets, investment opportunities, and economic trends. He suggests seeking out mentors, attending workshops, and reading books on personal finance and investing to stay ahead of the curve. Overcoming obstacles and challenges. Achieving financial independence is not without its challenges. Kiyosaki acknowledges that individuals may face obstacles such as fear, lack of knowledge, and limited resources. However, he emphasizes that these challenges can be overcome with determination, education, and the right mindset. Key takeaways and action steps. Assess your current financial situation. Take an honest look at your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This will help you identify areas for improvement and set realistic financial goals. Develop a financial plan. Create a detailed financial plan that outlines your short-term and long-term goals, as well as the steps you need to take to achieve them. This plan should include strategies for increasing income, reducing expenses, and investing in assets. Take action. Begin implementing your financial plan by taking small, consistent steps towards your goals. This may involve starting a side business, investing in a rental property, or setting up an investment portfolio. Stay committed. Achieving financial independence requires dedication and persistence. Stay committed to your financial plan, even when faced with setbacks or challenges. Continuously educate yourself and adapt your strategies as needed. The Path to Financial Freedom. Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant, Guide to Financial Freedom, provides valuable insights into the different ways people earn income and achieve financial independence. By understanding the cash flow quadrant and adopting the principles and strategies outlined in the book, individuals can take control of their financial futures and work towards true financial freedom. Kiyosaki's emphasis on financial education, mindset shifts, and practical action steps serves as a comprehensive guide for anyone seeking to improve their financial situation and achieve long-term success. By focusing on building assets, generating passive income, and continuously learning, individuals can navigate the complexities of the financial world and create a secure and prosperous future. If you found this video insightful, like, share and subscribe.